Hey, this is JJ with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction here in beautiful Sand Key. At least I think it's Sand Key. It's really not. It's actually Largo. But anyway, I'm out on the coast, obviously, and I am going to be working on this beautiful Regal today. I believe it's probably like a 21-foot thereabouts. I came over the other day with the client and just with a orange foam Lake Country pad, just kind of a piece of a pad, I just tried to clean up some of this oxidation by hand, just going over with some Buff Magic compound. And, it was able to chew through the oxidation fairly easily. So I'm going to use the rotary. I'm going to use a wool cutting pad with the Buff Magic compound. I'm going to go over all of just this black. And, obviously it's not looking real good. It's got a lot of haze, a lot of oxidation, but it's not real deep. Client told me that he has only waxed the boat once in 3 years. And so we had a little talk about the need for waxing. He's got a little scrape there, but it's really fairly light. I can barely feel it with my fingernail. Anyway, I'm going to polish that out. A little more oxidation there. Some of that oxidation is centered right around where the gas fill is, although it is up higher. It has caused some problems just with the fumes and stuff like that. Black, obviously, the hardest color too. The dog is not liking me talking out here. But anyway, just wanted to go over kind of the before, and I'll bring you in for the after. I am going to be applying a 10-year ceramic titanium coating after I finish up. So after I compound, I'm going to take a lighter pad and a lighter polish it out to perfection with the dual action. I'm going to use the Sure Hold, which is a major boat manufacturing company. It does a lot of detailing supplies for boats, so check out Sure Hold. And other than that, I will bring you back for a second video. I'll upload them in reverse order, so give me the thumbs up, and be sure and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll do them in reverse order. So just hit your autoplay and you'll go right from one to the other, because I hate editing. All right, thanks a lot. Appreciate it, y'all.